Join me as I dive into the top 5 in-demand data analysis skills for 2025 and see if you can master all of them before the year hits. 5 years ago, knowing Excel made you valuable. Today, knowing how to use ChatGPT or AI agents to get work done makes you unstoppable. If you still believe AI is for coders, you're missing the biggest business revolution since the internet. Year 2025 isn't about learning to code. It's about learning to command AI to work for you. And the people who do that, they're earning 2 to 5 times more than their peers. So let's talk about the top 5 high-paying AI skills you must master in before 2025 ends to future-proof your career. The AI economy is expected to add over 15 trillion USD to global GDP by year 2030. That means every business will need professionals who can strategize, interpret, and deploy AI, not just build it. So whether you're in marketing, consulting, operations, or finance, these 5 skills will put you ahead of 90% of professionals in your field. Number 1, AI strategy and prompt engineering. This is where business meets intelligence. Prompt engineering isn't about typing random commands. It's about structuring business problems into AI-solvable tasks. Think how designing AI workflows will improve productivity by 5 times by turning data into business actions. In 2025, smart companies are hiring AI strategy consultants who don't code. They translate goals into AI outputs. 2. Data analytics and business intelligence forget spreadsheets. The new BI tools like ChatGPT, Power BI Copilot, and Tableau AI can turn massive data sets into real-time insights. If you can interpret data stories and drive business growth through analytics, you'll become the decision maker's secret weapon. 3. AI automation and agentic workflows. We've entered the era of AI agents, mini digital employees that execute business tasks automatically. Imagine automating customer service, lead generation, or internal reports, all running 24/7. Professionals who can design these workflows using tools like Zapier AI, OpenAI agents, or Make.com will dominate the automation-driven job market.